Students, in this lecture we are going to study about preparation of ketones from nitriles. So if we take an example of nitrile, general formula is RCN when it is treated with Grignard's reagent like CH3MgX. Always Grignard's reagent reaction takes place in presence of dry ether as a catalyst. So addition of this alkyl group takes place to the carbon and MgX group added to the nitrogen. Now we will get its intermediate product RCCH3, triple bond is converted into double bond N MgX. I can write MgX at this side. So magnesium complex is formed, which is unstable and highly reactive intermediate, which on further undergoes acid hydrolysis. So in presence of H3O plus, the bond breaks in between carbon and nitrogen, and this oxygen added to this carbon, and here we get its corresponding ketone. So RCCH3 double bond O with removal of ammonia as a byproduct with the replacement of magnesium with X and OH. So we can prepare ketones from the Grignard's reagent when treated with nitrile. Suppose we take an example of nitrile like ethane nitrile. So ethane nitrile formula is CH3C triple bond N when it undergoes reaction with methyl magnesium bromide CH3MgBr. Always this reaction takes place in presence of dry ether. We will get its intermediate product. So this CH3 group always added to the carbon and MgBr added to the nitrogen, and we get an intermediate product CH3C CH3 double bond NMgBr. So this is a highly reactive and unstable product, further undergoes acid hydrolysis. The bond breaks between carbon and nitrogen, and will get its corresponding ketone. So it undergoes acid hydrolysis, means addition of water. To balance this reaction, 2 molecules of H2 are required, and we get its corresponding ketone, acetone plus byproduct NH3, ammonia with removal of MgBr and OH. So from methyl magnesium bromide when treated with acetonitrile or ethane nitrile, we get its corresponding acetone as a main product. Now if we take one more example, aromatic ketone is prepared by using benzonitrile C6H5CN. Benzonitrile, the name of this compound is benzonitrile when it undergoes a reaction with phenyl magnesium bromide C6H5Br in presence of dry ether. So always the reaction takes place in presence of dry ether. Addition takes place. So how the addition takes place, let's see. This phenyl group added to this carbon and MgBr added to nitrogen, and we get the intermediate product is nothing but C6H5, triple bond is converted into double bond NMgBr, which is a highly reactive and unstable one further undergoes acid hydrolysis. So addition of water takes place. To balance this reaction required 2 molecules of water, or we can write H3O plus and on the arrow. So by breaking of this C double bond N group, we get its corresponding ketone, and the name of this ketone is benzophenone, C6H5CO, C6H5 plus. Ammonia is removed as a byproduct, NH3 with removal of magnesium bonded with OH and PR. So benzophenone is prepared from benzonitrile and phenyl magnesium bromide. So the short trick for this method is, if we take the example of CH3CN when undergoes reaction with methyl magnesium bromide in presence of dry ether on the arrow, if the conditions are given like a dry ether, and second condition acid hydrolysis, then what is the product? Then instead of writing the complete reaction, just CN group is converted into CO group with the addition of this CH3 to the carbon. So this CH3 added to this carbon and the bond breaks, and this oxygen is added to this carbon. So finally we get its corresponding CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Acetone is the answer. The ketone formed by this method is acetone. If we take one more example, so there is no need to write a complete reaction, just you can convert CH3CO CH3. Okay, if we take one more example, if CH3CN when react with C2H5 MgBr, Grignard's reagent, and on the arrow, if the conditions are given like a dry ether and second condition acid hydrolysis, then we get its corresponding this C2H5 added to this carbon and CN group is converted into CO group. This oxygen is bonded to this carbon. So finally we get CH3CO C2H5 means ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone is formed from the given nitrile. If we take one more example, C6H5 CN benzonitrile when undergoes reaction with CH3 MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide, and on the arrow dry ether as a catalyst along with acid hydrolysis takes place, then we get the corresponding C6H5CO CH3. Means finally here we get acetophenone CH3CO CH3. The name of this compound is acetophenone. So preparation of acetophenone from benzonitrile and methyl magnesium bromide. So the conditions are written on the arrow, and cyanide and Grignard's reagent react with each other, then convert this cyanide into or nitrile into ketone. Okay, and this alkyl group added to this carbon. So we get its corresponding ketone. Now last one example, if C6H5CN benzonitrile when treated with phenyl magnesium bromide and the reaction takes place in presence of dry ether as well as further it undergoes acid hydrolysis. Then which product is formed? So there is a addition of this phenyl group to this carbon and oxygen to this carbon. We get its corresponding final product C6H5CO C6H5, means the name of this compound is benzophenone. So we can write directly which ketone is prepared by using cyanides and Grignard's reagent.